As a Scratch beginner, I needed a quick game challenge to create Guess the Number game. I kicked things off by designing the game elements in Photoshop. I crafted the backdrop and a white message box, and also the 0 to 9 buttons and a green check button. Once the design was set, I hopped into Scratch and started putting it all together. I added the number buttons as one sprite, also the backdrop and the check button. Then I added the message box served as a central point for communication with the player. It was time to set the button's position. After that, I added the message text in the game. To make the game more interactive, I enabled the display of the type number as the player selects digits. This provides real-time feedback on the chosen numbers. I implemented the core game logic by incorporating messages such as "it's greater than" and "it's less than" for clues, along with the winning message. To make the game challenging, I introduced chances icon, which is hearts, Using code, I positioned these hearts at the top center of the game interface. Opening correct guesses, the game deducts a heart and visually represents this by darkening the used heart. This helps players track their remaining chances. Finally, I ran a test of the game to ensure everything functions as intended. After making some final adjustments, our game is now ready to play. And that's a wrap. Feel free to leave comments or questions below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging Scratch videos. See ya!